like to grow. I like to be around passionate people. I like to be with a company that wants to move forward and really develop relationships, solve problems. My name is Bob Rogers. I work for New Way Landscape and Tree Services. I've been in the industry over 3 decades. I've always loved landscaping. My grandfather, when I was growing up, was a residential landscaper, and so I'd love to spend the time with him. But I got started, like I said, in a larger commercial company. We did a mix of commercial, residential, and apartments. Worked there for about 15 years, worked my way from the very bottom up to an operational position. Stayed there. I figured I got to where I need to be and wanted to go try something out. Went to a little bit smaller company that was actually in need of some management skills, somebody to take advantage of some of the training that I had received. And I spent 12 years there. And so, within 20 years, I was in 2 companies. I've had a great relationship with Randy as a competitor over the years. Going back to the infancy of my career, he and I started together pushing lawnmowers and working with rakes and shovels. And so I've had always a passion for this industry. And so that's kind of what brought me here today. Well, in my spare time, I'm a family guy. I like to spend time with my family. My wife and I are just coming up on 40 years of our marriage. I've got 2 boys. Both boys have their own families now. I've got 4 grandkids, all girls. I had 2 boys, so I'm seeing the other side of the advantage for the girls. But what I like to do, I like to be outside. I like to incorporate my family into what I do. I'm an avid surfer. I'd love to get in the water. That's really my release. In fact, it's kind of funny. I'll get to a point sometime my wife says, "You need to go out in the water." And I can go out there. It's really my moment of zen. What I do most is I serve my customers. And I serve my customers through the landscape industry. What I do with, whether it's plant materials, irrigation, it's all customer. I work for a good company. I work for New Way Landscape and Tree Services. We're a commercial landscape provider, but more importantly, we're a customer partner.